everybody. Last class we have to discuss about the closed packing structures. They depends upon the nature, size, shape, and is closely packed with each other to maximum attain with stability and also density. That is known as closed packed structures. Last class we closed packed structure means they are divided by the different types. Briefly I am told one dimensional divided by the 2D SCP, 2D SCP, 2D SCP divided by 3D SCP, 3D BCC. Again 2D SCP divided by 3D HCP, 3D FCC. Now, the last class we have divided by the flow sheet is there in the closed packed structures. Okay, but today 1D, 2D SCP, 2D SCP. 2D SCP means two-dimensional square closed packing. 2D SCP means hexagonal closed packing, two-dimensional. 3D SCP means three-dimensional square closed packing. 3D BCC means three-dimensional body-centered cubic. 3D SCP means three-dimensional hexagonal closed packing structure. 3D FCC means 3D face-centered cubic structure, other name three-dimensional cubic closed packing CCP. Last class we have to discuss about the flow sheet for the closed packing structures. Okay. Now today individually we have to explain with each one. This is a very important for our objective, that is. Okay. Now today we have discussed with one dimension. One dimension means this is only one direction. All spheres are close to with each other. That is called one dimensional. But here I am taking this sphere means how many number of adjacent spheres touch with each other? Two spheres are touch with each other. Therefore, the coordination number is equal to how much? That is equal to 2. Before I am telling you, coordination number means the number of atoms are neighboring with each other. Means the number of atoms are adjacent to each other, touch with each other, neighboring. That is called as a coordination number. But this sphere will be joined with other two spheres, that is equal to coordination number 2. Shape is generally what is called 2. Coordination number means so shape is equal to linear shape. This is equal to first one. Next one, two-dimensional square closed pack. Here two-dimensional square closed pack means I am taking as a one layer, a layer. Layer having 5 spheres are there. Other area also same layer. Other also same layer. But in these layers touch with each other, these middle sphere I have taken, these sphere will contact with other 4 spheres are there. But layers will be same. But each sphere touch with other 4 spheres. Therefore, the coordination number is equal to how much? 4 spheres is there means touch with the middle sphere. So that is equal to coordination number 4. Type A type. Okay now? So that is equal to square closed pattern. Next one is called two-dimensional hexagonal closed pattern. Hexa means 6. Two-dimensional hexagonal closed packing structure. layer next B layer. Means A same layer, but B is different. That's why this type what is called AB type. So first to third, fifth layer same. Second to fourth to sixth to layer same. But here, what is the coordination number of 2D SC? Means this can be sphere, or this sphere touch with all the spheres. This one, and also this is also touch with each other. Therefore, this sphere will be here 2, here 1, here 2. Therefore, how many spheres touch with the middle sphere? 6. So therefore, this is equal to coordination number. So therefore, in 2D SCP, what is the coordination number? 6. 2-dimensional hexagonal closed packing. What is the coordination number? 6. Type AB type. But 2D SCP, square closed packing means A type. Same, all layers will be same. But coordination number is equal to 4. Okay, this is the first one dimensional divided by 2D SCP, 2D HCP, 2D SCP coordination number 4, 2D HCP coordination number 6. This is A type, this is called AB type. Coordination number is equal to 6. But in the examination, objectivity is very important for 3 dimension is very important. Okay. Now here very important is 3-dimensional square closed pattern. 3D SCP. Now here I am taking as a layer. So here the middle layer means 4 is their coordination number. But here what I am writing here? Coordination number 6. How it is possible? But these 4 only you can join with each other. Okay? That's why this is nothing but egg box is there. One egg tray, other egg tray, other egg tray. 3 tray will be taken means middle egg touch with above and below. Okay? That's why that is called egg box. So that's why these sphere. So contact with 4 sphere, back side touch and front side, upside to back side. Here already 4 is there, but upside to, so downside. Therefore 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That's why what I am writing here? Egg box type. Okay? That's why in egg box type means what type of closed pack structure? 3-dimensional hexagonal, square closed packing structure. What is the coordination number? 6. Type A type, but middle egg touch with the upside tray and bottom side tray. So that's why 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That is equal 3-dimensional square closed packing structure. But this type of, what type of metal will be exhibited? This 3D SCP polonium, very important is. The polonium metal will be followed by the 3D SCP, like a egg box. Okay. Now here what you are writing? Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means the number of atoms will be occupied in this SCP is equal to 52.4%. Next we have to explain packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means orally what I am telling? The total number of atoms occupied by the square closed packing, that is equal to 52.4%. Occupied means 52.4 means, so empty space, that is called empty space, 47.6%. This is about the three-dimensional square closed pattern. Okay now? So that's why egg box. Imagine like this is called three-dimensional. Generally, you are going to textbook means you are not understanding, I am telling you. So this is a very most important. Easiest method, every data is there here. In examination, what is example asking? Either type asking, coordination number. So what type of layers will be formed? Okay, everything is there. Example, polonium. Next, 3D BCC, three-dimensional body-centered cubic structure. Now I am simple cube. Here 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is equal to body-centered cubic closed pattern. What is the coordination number? 8 corners touch with each other. Therefore 8. What are the examples? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. The first group cations can follow by the three-dimensional body-centered cubic closed pattern structures. Very important. What is the coordination number? 8. Now, how many number of atoms will be occupied by this type of 3D BCC? 68% of atoms can occupy by the 3D BCC, and the remaining is called empty space. That is, empty space is 32%. Good. So, what is the packing efficiency of 3D BCC? 68%. Empty space 32%. What are the examples? First group cations and coordination number 8. Next one. Because 3D SCP, 3D FCC, OR CC. First we are going to the three-dimensional hexagonal closed pattern. Okay. This is like a benzene ring type. Now this can be written. This is the structure. Next this one. And next again it is taken. These layers will be connected with here. Okay. Same thing. But this 3 there, this is the other layer. AB type. So it tell about this. These generally how many there? This is 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here how many there? 1, 2, 3. A after that what is called? B. So B means 3. A means 6. Next means what is called B. B after that A after that B. Therefore AB type. Here 3 is there. Here 6 is there. Next what is there? 3. Therefore 3 plus 6. That is equal 12 coordination number. Are understanding this one? AB type. B lo 3. A lo 6. A after that again what is there? B. Therefore 3 plus 6 plus 3. That is equal 12. So what are the examples? Second group, beryllium, magnesium, cadmium. Second B group, zinc. Next, titanium. These are all the examples of three-dimensional HCP. What is the coordinate packing efficiency? 74% of the atoms can occupied by the 3D SCP. That is, remaining empty space 26%. Okay, now maximum percentage of the atoms which can occupy means only 2. That is equal 3D SCP next 3D FCC. Around 74% atoms occupied by this structure, that is, or this crystallite structure. So this is okay. Now 3D SCP means what is the coordination number? 12. What is the specification? Above 3, next 6, next after that 3. 3, 6, 3. Total 12. Beryllium, magnesium, titanium, zinc. Examples. What is the packing efficiency? 74%. Empty space 26%. Okay. This is next. Last one. 3D FCC or CC. 3-dimensional face-centered cubic closed packing, or other name is called cubic closed packing. That is equal to 3D FCC or CC. Now here I am taking a diagram. This is a rhombus type. Now this is the first rhombus. Next what is the other rhombus? Okay, connect with this one. Else again I am writing here. This is the rhombus. This I am writing here. This is the connecting with each other. These connect with each other. This is the structure of this. Okay, now? This is only one ABC, ABC. A, B, C, next. Next what is it called? A, C after that what is it called? B. B means, again what is it called? A. Like that. So we are excluded. Okay? That's why. Here B and C. Next after that again what is there? B follows. Why? Because A, C similar. That's why here how many number of dots are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next C after that what is again B. But B also over there are 6. So therefore next after that C after that B. Therefore ABC, ABC type. But what is the coordination number? This is a 6 number. So this is the 1 point. Next 6 is there. So here above 6, next 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Before what is there? Here 3. Next 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Here 6, 12. But here 6. Next C. Next again 6. And C after that B. Why? Because AC will be similar. That's why B after that what is called? C. C after that B. So here 6. Next 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. Coordination. Okay. Type what is that? ABC, ABC type. Now, what are the examples? Very important is, this is very, very important. 3D FCC, CC. Why? Because costliest metals is there. Like silver is there, copper is there, gold is there, platinum is there, nickel is there. So that's why most costliest metals present in what is the type? 3D, FCC or CCP. What is the coordination number? 12. Specification 6 plus 6. Type ABC, ABC type. What is the packing efficiency? 74%. What is the empty space? So 26%. So this is equal to 3D, FCC or CCP. Once again I am telling you 3 dimension. 3D SCP coordination number 6. Egg type. Packing efficiency 52.4%. MT 57.6, type AAA type, example following. 3D BCC, coordination number 8, example first A group cations. Packing efficiency 68, empty space 32%, coordination number 8. Okay. So next 3D SCP, 3-dimensional hexagonal closed packing, type AB type. So coordination number 12, year 3, year 6, next 3, total 12. Second A group cations, that is equal to beryllium, magnesium, cadmium, zinc, that is second group. Packing efficiency 74%, empty space 26%. Last, very important, 3D FCC or CC. ABC type, coordination number 12. Here 6, next after that 6. But AC will be similar. So C after that, B there. After that, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Coordination number 12, type ABC. Packing efficiency 74%. So empty space 26. What are the examples? Costliest metals: platinum, copper, silver, gold, nickel. So these are all the examples. Very most important. So you have to go through the notes. So the textbook means very problematic. Like that you can prepare means. So objective is given here. Very important. Examples: type ABC type. What is the packing efficiency? What is the empty space? What is the coordination of examples? Okay. So 2 or 3 times after exam complete electrochemistry. So 2 or 3 times again see and practice more. This is previously 7 crystal systems I am telling you. 7 crystal systems: cubic, tetragonal, so orthorhombic, hexagonal, monoclinic, triclinic. That is also, so number of times practice means then only you can pick out the original answer in the objective examination. Okay.